Hello again on YouTube, I'm back again with another unboxing. This is a bit of a different unboxing. Got this from Amazon. It's a high-speed HDMI with Ethernet cable which I've ordered. You'll find out why in my next unboxing video, which will be uploaded sometime at least in the next 3 days, so yeah. So got this from Amazon, £5, cheap HDMI cable. Comes with loads of stuff as well. So this is the box. Came in. So let's crack it open and see what we get. So there we go. Amazon Basics manual. The actual HDMI cable. And loads of gibberish. So this is HDMI cable. It's got little caps on the end, which is hard to get off. So it's gold plated. So yeah, it's also branded with Amazon stuff there. So that's my quick unboxing for the HDMI cable from Amazon. So I hope you enjoy my quick unboxing. So comment, thumbs up, and subscription is very appreciated. Thanks for watching.